L405 disc bulge exercises, lumbar radiculopathy exercise routine, really effective for L405 disc bulge, L5S1 disc bulge, causing low back pain and sciatica leg pain. Starting off with a piriformis stretch, lie on your back, do that on the floor on the bed. You want to rotate that knee outward, grab the other knee as you place the foot on top of one knee, and you pull towards you, stretching the piriformis muscle, gluteal muscle. Great stretch for the piriformis. Why is this important? Because the lower lumbar nerves, L405 nerves, feed into the sciatic nerve. The piriformis muscle can tension the sciatic nerve and be a contributing factor to that leg pain that you experience when there's an L405 disc bulge. So the piriformis muscle needs to be addressed. You hold the stretch for 10 seconds and repeat it 3 times on both legs. Hold that for 10 seconds and repeat it 3 times on each leg. Really good way to relieve the tension on the sciatic nerve by the piriformis muscle. Again, rotate that knee out, you pull towards you, hold that for 10 seconds, and repeat that 3 times on each leg. It can be done every day, the stretching component. The piriformis stretch can also be done seated. You put one knee, cross it over the other leg, place the foot over your other knee, and then you lean forward. Don't slouch forward, but lean forward. Get a nice stretch into that piriformis muscle in the seated position. If you want to use your bed, get to that pigeon pose, bend your knee, lean forward, hold that for a good 10 seconds, and repeat 3 times on each side. The next exercise is a great exercise. It's sciatic nerve flossing exercise. You're going to flex that foot towards you and straighten out your leg as you extend your head backwards. Hold that for a good 10 seconds. Repeat that 10 times. And also do both legs, even if you have one-sided leg pain. A variation of this is the tibial nerve floss. You externally rotate or rotate your toes outward. Lift your legs straight, make your knees straight, extend your neck back, get a nice stretch right down to the tibial nerve into your lower leg and foot. Externally rotate the foot, straighten out the knee, lift the leg up off the ground, and extend your head back as you get that nerve flossing. This is the cat-camel pose or exercise, really effective for that lumbar mobilization. L405 discs, L5S1 discs, when they're injured or degenerated, they need to be mobilized for improvement of nutrients and absorption of water and keeping them healthy. And this mad cat or cat-camel pose and movement is effective for that. You can do 10 reps of that daily. Here's a lumbar extension. Really great way to decompress that L405 disc and L5S1 disc, help relieve local pain and any nerve pain into the actual legs. Hold that for 10 seconds, repeat that 10 times. This is the push-off version, where you're pushing off into that lumbar extension, get a nice decompression, extension into the lower lumbar spine, really affecting those lower disc bulges, L405, L5S1. When there's leg pain, you could move your hip away from the side of pain, so that left side, move the hip towards the right side, get it to that extension pose, and you'll help relieve pain on that left side when your hip is moved towards the right. And then if there's right-sided pain, you move your hip towards the left, get it to the extension pose, and help relieve pressure tension on that nerve and lower lumbar discs on that right side. This is prone cross crawl. Very effective, very important for lower back stabilization and strengthening coordination. You want to get those muscles strengthened, activate the lumbar extensor muscles, activate the gluteal muscles for stability, get the right and left brain alternating for that neurologic maximum input into those muscles. Very good beginner core back strengthening exercise. You can advance, progress to bird dog. This is bird dog, where you're alternating arm and leg, crossing the next progression. Make sure you're flat with your back. Use those gluteal muscles, firm them up as you lift your leg up and alternate with your hand. You can add some leg weights on this to progress a little further as you get better with this. Both prone, cross, crawl, and bird dog can be done 10 times and repeat them 3 sets.